get to see it all come together. So what we're currently in the process of doing is assembling our feature cards. We have a PCB here. So this is where the role of Ollie, who's doing the firmware, comes into place.
I created a manufacturing image that allows unique certificates and keys to be installed on the feature card so they can work with our Cumulus platform.
They're plugged into the device here, programmed up, firmware is loaded. We utilise the frame. So Logan will then take these boards, he will take the metal backing, and he will take the plastics as well. So these are custom built from us, so this is where John's role comes into place.
The metal plate placed on the back of the feature card has been designed to sit within a off-the-shelf CF card frame. The only modification that was required was a cutout to allow for the Wi-Fi antenna to perform.
Once they're actually processed, we then get the labels printed out, they're programmed up, and they're ready for shipping. For feature card, they've got a Wi-Fi chip in them, so these get plugged into our dimmer, and that's how it then has connectivity as well.